Hi, it's Manfredini, and I've got some spring spruce-up ideas for you. Some things to do around the house that I think will make a difference this year. First is as the temps start to warm up, it's a good idea to have a professional come and check out your air conditioner, make sure that it's operating efficiently. But it also may be time to upgrade your thermostat to a Wi-Fi enabled smart thermostat. From my friends over at Honeywell. They've been around for a very long time. Their latest products under the Honeywell home line is the T9 Smart Thermostat. Now the T9, which can be installed professionally or DIY, is going to give you whole home control and deliver comfort when and where you want it. And it'll also give you that just right feeling in areas like your living room during the day or the bedrooms at night. It features smart room sensors that extend the reach of the thermostat by monitoring temperature, humidity, and even motion in different rooms of the house. And they're a great way to save on your home's energy costs. You know that roughly 50% of your electric bill comes from heating and cooling your home? With the T9, which is Energy Star certified, you can set a schedule or adjust the temperature anywhere, anytime, and it can even sense the location of your smartphone to automatically heat and cool your home based on your proximity. That's from the Honeywell home line. And depending on where you live, you may want to check with your energy provider because a lot of times there are rebates available from the electric company, the utility that you have. Okay. Now let's talk about moss, mold, mildew, algae, all that green and black stuff on the outside of your home. Nobody wants it and you want to get rid of it, right? Well, my friends at Wet and Forget have the solution. Wet and Forget is a moss, mold, mildew, and algae stain remover that works with the wind and the rain to gently clean your surfaces over time. There's no scrubbing, there's no rinsing, no pressure washing. You simply spray it and walk away. For smaller areas like stairs, well, their ready-to-mix premix formula comes equipped with a built-in sprayer that makes small-scale cleaning super easy. Now, for those large-scale projects, their Extreme Reach hose end attaches directly to your hose and sprays up to 30 feet, allowing you to clean those black and green stains on and around the exterior of your home with no scrubbing, no rinsing, no bleach, no pressure washing, and with both feet planted firmly on the ground. Okay. Finally, let's talk about your deck, right? If you're thinking about building a deck, maybe a wood deck. Now, they're beautiful. I love wood, but it needs a lot of maintenance, right? Well, my friends at Trex, they actually were the innovator in composite decking. And if you build a deck from Trex Decking and even use their railing, it's going to look as good 25 years from now as it does the day you installed it. They're actually the inventor, as I mentioned, in composite decking. Their latest introduction is called Trex Signature. It's the brand top-of-the-line stuff, crafted with natural looks of interior hardwoods, but engineered to withstand the elements and demands of the outdoors. It even comes with a 50-year warranty. Now, like all Trex decking, signature boards are super low maintenance, and unlike wood, it won't rot, warp, crack, or splinter, and it never needs to be sanded, stained, or painted. Signature boards are made from recycled and reclaimed content and are offered in two hues, Ochre Coke and Whidbey. Trex also offers their signature railing, which can be used with any decking, but it's a perfect complement to Trex signature decking. It's made with premium grade aluminum and is super strong, made to resist fading and corrosion. Trex signature railing is made in the US and backed by a 25-year limited residential warranty. Now, those are just 3 projects that you can do this spring and summer to spruce up things around your home. Thanks for watching.